Want to learn Greek anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, Stefania here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Greek questions. The question for this lesson is, how do you make a tag question in Greek? A tag question is a question that a speaker adds after a statement to ask for confirmation. In English, the statement and the question are opposites. So if the statement is affirmative, the tag question will be negative and the opposite. For example, number 1, the truck is blue, isn't it? And number 2, the truck is not blue, is it? In Greek, we do make tag questions to get a confirmation, but the statement and the question doesn't necessarily have to be opposites like in English. Let's go into more details. Greek tag questions vary depending on the context, but for most cases, you can simply add the phrase "Έτσι δεν είναι," meaning "isn't that so?" or "isn't he, she, it?" at the end of any statement, whether it's negative or affirmative. Let's have a look at the previous examples again. In Greek they are «Το φορτηγό είναι μπλε, έτσι δεν είναι?» and «Το φορτηγό δεν είναι μπλε, έτσι δεν είναι?» So the structure is like this. Statement plus question to confirm whether the statement is true. It doesn't matter if the statement is negative or affirmative. So it's like saying, the truck is blue. This statement is true, right? Being confident that the truck is blue. And the truck is not blue. This statement is true, right? Being confident that the truck is not blue. Here are some similar sample sentences. Είναι ακριβό, έτσι δεν είναι? It's expensive, isn't it? Δεν είναι ακριβό, έτσι δεν είναι? It's not expensive, is it? Another common way to form a tag question is by using the very casual huh? Technically, could also be used in these Greek examples I mentioned, but since the word immediately before it would be ble, blue, which also ends in we would have a very long unattractive sound, ble. So keep that in mind if you don't want to sound like a sheep when using as your tag question. Here are some related sample sentences. Ωραία ταινία, Nice movie, huh? Ακούς τι λέω, You can hear what I'm saying, huh? Finally, some other common tag questions in Greek are έτσι, right? Σωστά, also right. Δεν συμφωνείς, don't you agree? Δεν νομίζεις, don't you think? Δίκιο δεν έχω, aren't I right? Am I not right? Καλά δεν τα λέω, roughly, am I right? And using the statement's main verb in its opposite form. So if the verb is affirmative, it becomes negative in the tag question. For example, το φορτηγό πηγαίνει πολύ γρήγορα, δεν πηγαίνει? The truck goes very fast, doesn't it? If the main verb is negative, we make it affirmative in the tag question. But we usually add before it the conjunction «ή», meaning or. For example, το φορτηγό δεν πηγαίνει πολύ γρήγορα, ή πηγαίνει? The truck is not going very fast, or is it? Here are some more sample sentences. Εμένα μου φαίνεται σωστό, δεν συμφωνείς? It looks right to me, don't you agree? Αυτό το κομμάτι πάει εδώ, σωστά? This piece goes here, right? How was the lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions?